Welcome to Season 8, Episode 1, in this glorious, wonderful autumn day.
And we're going to start it with a...
Big bang.
Big bang. We're in Lisbon.
Yes, we are. And what a fabulous city Lisbon is. It's amazing, isn't it, John?
I love Lisbon. We come here... After you, my darling.
Thank you.
I mean, it's a beautiful city, and I think we were talking earlier, not enough people come to Lisbon when you're down in the Algarve. Just jump on the train like we did today.
Yeah, we got on train this morning. What, 2 hours, just over 2 hours?
Yeah.
What even
fast
that?
Train.
Yeah, fast train, goes through countryside, very comfortable seating, reasonable price, get here quite early and you can spend a day here.
And get the train back at tea time.
Yeah.
Simple. And it's just amazing.
It is. It's like buzzing all the time. It's always active. There's lots and lots of things to do. We're not going to cover half, not even a quarter of what you can do in Lisbon today, but we are going to bring you what we prefer as the best bits that we visit when we come here, so that you can see them and share them too. Before that...
I know what's coming.
Yeah. I'm going to go with John to see a property here in Lisbon, on the outskirts. So it's like in the country, but only 10 minutes away from here. And I'm going to join John in this one. I'm going to contribute.
We'll see. We'll see.
I'll see you in a bit in the property.
Hi and welcome. Today you join me in Lisbon, great city. I am in a development that fits into the golden visa category. I'll tell you a little bit more about that in a moment, but let me explain exactly where I am. I am about 25 minutes away from Lisbon Airport, 15 minutes away from the local beach. You've also got Worrall town, that's got restaurants and bars. We're literally 5 minutes away from there. Yet, I'm going to be showing you 3 and 4 bedroom detached villas. Now these 3 and 4 bedroom detached villas all come with their own swimming pool, but the development is building a bigger communal pool. It's also got a restaurant here, it's got tennis, it's got paddle, it's got a lot of things going for this, but it's set, all this is set in amongst 17 hectares of land. And the trees, there's a lot of cork trees here, are amazing. So you've got the peace, countryside, lovely views, yet you're close to all the amenities. If you want to go into Lisbon town centre, I would say you're about 25-30 minutes into the town. So you've got also a train that's 10 minutes away from here. Easy access to get into the town, easy access to get to the beaches, and if you want the golden visa, this fits and it ticks the boxes. The prices start here at 512,700 up to just short of 700,000, and that will get you a 3-bedroom villa with a swimming pool, all en suite with all mod cons, and I'm going to be taking you in and showing you inside these beautiful properties. So keep watching. I'll tell you more about the golden visa as we go along, but first of all, let's go inside and have a look. Well, welcome. You've just got me today, I'm afraid, because Angela was supposed to join me. I don't know where she's got to. She'll come back somewhere. Come on inside. This property is really great features. Lovely stainless steel staircase all the way up there. You've got a lovely little feature here, sliding door for the house bathroom, so it takes up less space. Let me take you into the dining room. Now, the dining room's lovely. You've got a covered terrace area there. We'll take you out there so you can eat inside or you can sit outside and be covered there. You've got what I always like with a kitchen, somewhere to access or use as a breakfast bar and put your plates or dishes or, more important, glasses of wine on there. And then into the kitchen. Hob, everything's in here, fridge, freezer, oven, microwave, great. Little balcony there, sliding doors on there, and the view of the gardens over there. Let me take you into the lounge. Now, the lounge, I like the lounge because it's got a sunny aspect, but you can actually see the pool. You can sit here and just look at the pool. Air conditioning, it's lovely. It's all top quality. And I often say this in the Algarve, on the odd occasional winter months where you get a little bit of a chill, this has got a wood burner for you. Lisbon climate, I have to say, it's not quite the Algarve climate, but it's still, I mean, we're in October and it's a beautiful day out there. I think it's about 25 degrees, so it's nice and sunny here. So let me take you upstairs and show you the 3 bedrooms, and they're all en suite, and tell you a little bit more about this property and this development. So upstairs we go. Two flights of stairs up to the 3 bedrooms. This whole area has got a massive window that's frosted and it brings in the light. So it's always bright and light here. And I love the banister rail, stainless steel, inox. Let me take you into one of the bedrooms this side. This has got decent size, but the way they've modelled this at the moment is they've made this into an office, but it is a proper bedroom. Proper? Yeah, it is a bedroom. You've got all the bank of wardrobes here, drawers, hanging space, air conditioning. Air conditioning is all throughout. You've got a balcony there, so you can go out and drink your cup of tea in the morning or coffee in the morning. And then you've got in here your ensuite. Now the ensuite has a lovely shower, a sink and a toilet, so it's decent size. And again, sliding doors, takes up less space. So this is one of the bedrooms. Let me take you to the other 2. The other 2 bedrooms are away from that one. So if you've got noisy friends or guests, they can go in that one. This one has got exactly the same bathroom as that one. You've got the sink, the toilet, shower over there, and then into the bedroom. This might be a fraction smaller than that other one. But again, plenty of hanging space, wardrobe space, air conditioning set up there. Twin beds in here, so if you wanted a king size bed, you'd get a king size bed. And a little side balcony overlooking the grounds and the gardens. So this is 2 of the bedrooms. And remember, these 2 are en suite. And the 3rd bedroom has an en suite. Now, this particular bedroom has the en suite with a full bath inside it. And when I say a full bath, it's a full bath. Twin sinks, I'll call this the master bedroom. So this is the nice size. And blow me down, I found her, hey? I know, oh my, look, can you look at this?
Well, I had a wander around this beautiful house, and for some reason, I really got stuck at this spot.
Was this here?
Yes, of course it was. I think that was the attraction of this spot.
Right, so
yeah.
It's not open.
No, we're waiting for you.
That must be...
You see, I said I was going to contribute to looking at this house. Well, this is my contribution.
I'm going to take a seat. Yeah.
My contribution is pouring you a glass of wine.
Okay.
And this is wine from the vineyard, which is adjacent to this development. So it's local wine. It's actually made next door.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Is that why we've come up here?
Wine tasting afterwards. No, we ain't got time for that, John, today. Just this one.
For regular viewers, they'll know this. For non-regular viewers, Angela likes to drink every now and then. Just occasionally.
A little bit now and again. Yeah. Yeah, just a little bit.
But it's now and again, it's something different to a lot of people, don't they?
When an opportunity arises.
Yes, yeah. And you've made full use of that today, haven't you?
Yes.
Yeah. So do you like having a walk round?
Yeah, it's lovely. It's lovely. Lovely property. It's really nice size. There's nothing to not like about it. I really like it.
Yeah. And there's a swimming pool outside. So we're going to take you outside and show you the garden and swimming pools. I'm betting you're probably staying here.
Till they've gone. No, I'll pour you a glass, John, for when you've done, and we'll have a glass together.
So look forward to it. Right, so join me outside. Outside space, we all need it, and it's beautiful today here. I mean, we're in Lisbon and it's like, I would say 25, 26 degrees, middle of October. Wow. It's a lovely covered area, so you can sit out of the sun if you want to get out of the sun. And you've also got a lovely, easy managed garden, your own private swimming pool. Now, some of the villas on this property, on this development, offer the facility of a swimming pool, or you can, if you don't want a swimming pool, you don't have to have it, you can have a rooftop jacuzzi perhaps. So you have a choice. So some come with swimming pools, some will come with an optional of a jacuzzi. If you need any more information, especially for the golden visa, remember this fits the golden visa. So if you've been looking around for properties in the Algarve, very little down there over the 500 that meets the criteria, you can buy this one in Lisbon. They start at 512,700 up to just short of 700,000 detached villas. We're 15 minutes from the nearest beach, we're 25 minutes from Lisbon airport, and we're very close to the city. So everything's on hand. It's a great location and a great properties. Please check out our website, IdealHomesPortugal.com. Also, give the guys and girls in the office a ring. Phone number will come up now. You can always send me an email. I can clarify any questions. So you can contact me, John, at IdealHomesPortugal.com. So we're all here to help you. We're here to help you find a property, and this is a great, great property. So don't miss this. Don't go far away, because I'll be meeting Angela now, wherever she's got to get that bottle of wine open, I hope.
Chiado area, which is really popular. It's like the centre of Lisbon. So most people, when they come to Lisbon, come here for the restaurants, a bit of the shopping. It's good to shop here. I love shopping here.
I came here about 3 years ago to Christmas. This is amazing. It's lights and it is buzzing.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, brilliant area. And it's like, I don't know, it just feels different to most places. There's just something different about it.
Well, Lisbon's got different areas. I mean, there is so much in Lisbon, and you keep coming back and it gives you more, always giving.
Yeah, it's like the buildings and the architecture, the churches, and then you get modern in the middle of it.
Yeah,
and
exactly.
Yeah, and it's like a cool place.
It's a red hot place to get to. It's not hot today, though, isn't it? But it's a red hot place. People flock to Paris, Lisbon. It's way up there with Barcelona and Madrid.
Yeah. So yeah, let's show you a little bit more.
Hope you're enjoying the episode with Lisbon. We enjoyed it very much. But next week, a little teaser for you. I'm going to be showing you a 3-bedroom villa on a small complex in Padern, just outside Albufeira, that will make a great relocation home or a holiday home, a great investment for rental as well. It has a communal pool, its own private garden outside here, and it's at the back, and a garage. So don't miss this, in Padern. Next week, I'll be showing you more.
So we're finishing off the day in Baixa de Comércio, something like that. I'm sure the Portuguese say it a lot better than I do, but it's stunning, absolutely stunning. It's a big square, lots of restaurants and bars. This is going to get really, really lively as the night goes on.
It's like Venice without the water.
Yeah, well, we've got the water in front of us.
We've got Tiago. Yeah.
But yeah, it's been an amazing day. We're absolutely shattered. We have seen a lot and we've walked a lot. I think we have missed us train home because we got so engrossed. So we're going to get home late tonight.
We're not joking on that one. That's the fast train. Now we've got to get the slow train.
So yeah, no, it was worth
boat
it.
to China.
Yeah. But it is worth looking at spending a weekend here as well, because there is so much to see and do. It's hard to cram it into one day.
It is 1, 2 days, maybe 3 days, and also the fact is there's so many good hotels.
Yeah, there is, and the reasonable prices.
And I stayed here at Christmas, as I said earlier. But I stayed in a lovely apartment just off this square, and it was beautiful, absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, it is. Make sure you come to Lisbon. It's a city that you must visit at some point in your lifetime.
Put it on your bucket list, because it's like Lisbon, Paris, all these places, but Lisbon is beautiful.
Now I'm going to go and watch John sleep on the train, I'm sure, because we're that shattered. And we're going to meet you at the same time next week. See you soon.
Thanks for watching.